What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today, it's pretty simple, but we've all started a new project and slowly but surely turned it into this, where you just like constantly drag stuff in and it kind of like blocks it all up and you just didn't really stay organized. Now, if you're somebody like me who pumps out like a lot of content, a lot of different client content, you need to stay organized. And what I created my project bin folder. Now, if you would like a link to this, just type in folder down below and I'll send you a link. Now, you can completely just create this on your own. It is not complex. You don't have to buy it from me. Obviously, I appreciate the support, but this is just another way that I keep making what I make. But you can more than happy just make your own folders, whatever you like. This is typically what I do for Premiere Pro, and this is my Premiere bin structure. We have other structures for different ones, but for Premiere specifically, I just drag all of these in, and it creates my bins for me. That's literally it. I mean, it couldn't be much more simple. From here, if I have media, I drag in my media. Obviously, for projects and stuff, it's a little different. Like actual filming, it's a little different, but for Premiere specifically, this is it. So, yeah, if you'd like a link to this pack, you can just download it from me, and that's a good way to support the channel. If not, just create the folders. It does not take that much time. It's totally up to you. It's the free way. To show you like a really large project, here's a project for this client. Here's all the stuff. It's the same thing. For the BTS photos is different in Premiere. Project files is the sequences folder in Premiere. So you can see here we have the one main project file, and then in our media we had 4 different cameras, so we separated it by day 1, and here's all of our different files that is separated, that is unique to the project. So I have to make these folders every time depending on how many cameras we're using. And then here's our specific LUT that we used for the day that nobody else can have. And that's how we do it. So these folders are also good for projects in general. BTS photos are always important. Make sure you take plenty of pictures and go on from there. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.